Tacloban. Hello, Tacloban. Alright, so we're here sa Palol, Leyte, kasama si MacArthur at ang kaibigan ko na trinopa si MacArthur. Sige, naglaro pa. Magbabiral ka niyan, girl. Ayan. Well, I'm just so proud kasi although it's raining, ayan sila. We got a chance to visit the historical place in Leyte.
Yay!
Right? So, ikot tayo. Ayan. Look at the entire place.
Yes!
Ayan. O, diba? So, ayun sila. Ayun sila. O. Tropa namin.
Diba? Diba?
Bye! Hi! Kaway naman! Papunta kami ng Kalanggaman! Hi!
Excited!
Excited! Excited! Excited! They're excited? We're going to Kalanggaman today. I'm also excited. Look at my ear. And the best friends. Oh, look at Kaway. Ate Marge, Kaway. Ah, diba? It's raining today, but hindi niya kami mapipigilan sakatin ang aming mga paa. Madiwan, saya-saya. After 2 years, we're back. Bye! Bye, bye, bye. Hi! Look! Touchdown na kami. We're here with friends. Flo, tingin.
Hi!
Anong ka? And they're there. Ayan. O, diba? So, nandito kami sa Kalanggaman Island. Oh my gosh! This is really heaven. Ganda-ganda. O, diba? Ayan siya. So that you can see it. O, diba? Okay. Look. Look. So at my back, tsaka yung dun sa picture-in-picture is the entire view of Kalanggaman Island. So maganda kasi wala pa masyadong travelers. So konti pa lang kami. And we're enjoying the view. We're gonna stay here until 2 p.m. Ganda ba? Ganda ko, no? Sure. So there's our boat. And wala nang ulan! See you later! Ayun sila, ang aking friends. Hi guys! We're here in Kalanggaman Island with friends. Oh, mga aura bells kami ngayon. Look at us. We're pretty. Siyempre, kailangan kong paghandaan. Am I pretty? Am I? Siyempre, pretty din ito. Oh, pretty mommy.
Char.
Thank you, Brian, for giving us the chance na makasama si Bestie.
Yes! Hi, love!
Ayan. See, so from there, dun sa part na yon, maalon. So, hindi kami pwede ron. Pwede kami, dito lang. Yan. 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 Ayan. Ay, sexy dun, no? And then there, you can explore the island. And, ayan, masaya na siya. And there's our cottage. There. Basta ang ganda niya. This is heaven. After 2 years of COVID. So worth it to be here. Na-stress ang bangs ko. Kasi naman, 1 hour. 1 hour ang biyahe. Oh my gosh. Ayan. May dumalapit na maganda. May dumalapit, oh. She's my cousin.
Ngiti-ngiti lang, pero lamig na.
Sure. Bye. See you later. See you later, alligator.